Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Colourpop Cosmetics The Child eyeshadow palette. They just relaunched this palette along with a whole the Mandalorian collection. They have some really cute stuff, so if you're interested, I'll leave a little link down below. But as always, I'm starting off with my transition color. I'm taking Just Like a Tatooine. I hope that's right. I'm not sure. I don't watch The Mandalorian, but Baby Yoda is super cute, so, you know, it's gotta count for something. But as you guys can see, I'm just taking that shade, going back and forth. I'm also putting it all over the lid too. I really didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, so I was kind of going with the flow here. I knew I wanted this tutorial to be super easy, so now we're getting into Little Frog. It's like a lighter olive green shade, but it does have a little bit of shimmer. If you're a little bit worried of having like shimmer in your crease, you don't have to worry too much with this color because the shimmer really didn't show up that much. But I kind of just took it in the crease all over the lid. Still at this point, I was like, I'm not sure what I want to do. So yeah, bringing it back and forth in the crease, just making sure I don't have any harsh edges or anything like that. So now I'm getting into my favorite color in the palette. This is called Float Your Crib. It's a beautiful matte olive green, and I'm putting this in the crease and in the outer V. I knew I wanted to use the brown in this palette as my eyeliner, so I figured I would use this olive green shade to just deepen up the look, add some depth, and then I would go in with the brown as my eyeliner. So that's what I'm doing here, just going back and forth. These colors are so easy to use. These mattes aren't super dry, easy to blend. Colourpop Cosmetics, let me tell you, they're affordable and they have great quality eyeshadows. Alright, so for all of the lid, I'm taking Sip and Soup. It's a really pretty shimmery green, guys. This is one of my favorite shimmery greens. Super pretty. And then right for the inner corner, I'm taking pretty much the lightest shade in the palette. It's called Precious Cargo. Putting that right in the inner corner just to brighten up there, you know, that's it, just to brighten up. So here I just took my transition color and I'm blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. Don't forget to blend, guys. If you want your eyeshadow to look good, blend. Here I'm taking Droid Protocol. This is the brown, and I'm just creating a little winged look. Thank you guys so much. Honking at 8 o'clock at night, whatever. So I did a little winged eyeliner. You can see here I do it all the time. I love it. I think it's less harsh than just a black eyeliner. Here I'm taking this Hourglass concealer. I don't know what it's called, but I picked it up during the Sephora VIB sale, so I'm using it today. I'm not in love, but I'm trying it out, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm setting my under eyes with the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE loose powder that I love. Totally bougie, but totally worth it. I love it so much. Alright, for my lower lash line, I'm taking Droid Protocol, that brown, and just lining the outer third of my lower lash line. And then I'm blending everything out with my transition color, Just Like a Tatooine. I really hope that's how you say it. I'll feel so embarrassed. This is my favorite mascara combo. It's the Maybelline Sky High and then the Essence False Lash Effect. You can see the difference here. And then after that, guys, this tutorial is donezo, complete. I love it. I think it's so easy, and I also think it's super wearable. What do you guys think? So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!